up to standing. And let me show you that. So here's our digital guide. It gives me full information in terms of depth, width, length, where the sinuses are sitting, and those are the 3 different sites we're working on. Over and above that, with 3D printed surgical guides, and these guides pretty much control the position of those implants as well as the depth preparation of them. So this is the guide for the top right hand side, that's your guide for the top left. So as I'm working, everything's going to be done through a calculated pathway as opposed to me guiding it by myself. And that way it makes the whole process a lot more efficient. But the beauty part is it's accurate, and we're prosthetically guiding these in the sense that we know the final position of the tooth before we even put the tooth on. It's like a house. If you want to build a house, you design the house first, and then you build a foundation to support the house. Implants are no different. You need to design the house first, and then build your foundation so that it supports the house in the ideal position.